All right, what up, y'all? Back with another video, and you see we have Bird here. We're on the way to take her to get a progesterone test to see where her levels are, and try to see if me having this diaper on is necessary at this particular point, or if she's ready for breeding. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to a place in Houston, Texas called Legacy Reproduction. They do very good work. I know a lot of my friends, they're breeders of like Frenchies and, you know, different stuff like that. So they go to them and get their levels checked, and they always seem to be able to get a definite take on the dogs most of the time. So I will be taking Bird to the same place. Tell him hello, baby. She did get a new collar, by the way. Her old collar was too small, so she got a bigger one. And I will see you guys in a few minutes when we pull up to Legacy Reproductions. All right, so we're here. Let's unload the car and see where we're going. So let's do it. All right, so we're in. Waiting right now. Got her outside. Waiting to go in, see what's going on. All right, come on. She's just hanging out right now, sniffing around, going in some areas. Trying to explore, as always. So. Pretty much took her to get up blood work already, but I forgot to damn record the button. She below a 1? Yeah. Oh, so she ain't even nowhere close yet. All right. You got to take cash? Yeah. Right. So we just left. We actually pretty shocking results. She is actually below a 1, which is, she's not even in ovulation yet. Last time, it took her about 10 days total, 11 days total, and it was already too far gone. So where you at? Okay. So with that being said, we will come back in probably like 5 days and see what her levels are. And we'll go from there. But I will be out of town, so I will not be able to get that progesterone test, but I will be sending somebody to be able to get her progesterone test, essentially for me, and we'll go from there. So basically that's the results. I'll see you guys in the next one. I got a long trip back home. I'll see you in the next one.